To categorize Zelle payments in QuickBooks, start by opening the program and logging into your account. Next, link your Zelle account to QuickBooks by clicking on the Apps option in the sidebar, searching for Zelle in the search bar, and selecting it when it appears. Enter your Zelle account details to complete the linking process. Once linked, navigate to the Transactions section by clicking on the Transactions option in the sidebar and then selecting App Transactions. This will open a page listing all connected applications, including the Zelle account. Select the Zelle account to view its related transactions. Then scroll down to find the payment you want to categorize. Click on the Review option to open the transaction details, where you can change the vendor or add a category by clicking on the Account option. QuickBooks will automatically generate category options, or you can create a new one by clicking the Add New button. Select the desired category, then click Confirm to save the changes. This process allows you to effectively categorize Zelle payments in QuickBooks.